Hello there, folks. Finally decided, since I can't work on the air conditioning pump, because I need to order it, I'm going to work on this bumper. And, oh boy. So anyway, we're taking it off now. So we got this one off, got this side off, and Junior's working on the side here. There's a couple of screws there holding that bumper. Well, one now. And we're going to take that off. Then we're going to see what else, where else is holding it. I hope it ain't holding it underneath the light here. Doesn't look like it. But you can never be too sure. Because if this is moving, yeah, doesn't look like it. Okay. Yep. Let us see here. Oops. Almost fell, folks. That's the trouble. I betcha.
Hey.
Okay, folks. I'm going to take this bumper off for this Mustang. We already took the two screws here holding the back of this bumper in the in this wheel well, and on the other side. But there's two bolts in here behind this fender. And when I looked up there, I said, huh, there's got to be an easier way. So there is. I'm going to take off this cold air induction system here, whatever. Because it was here with the car when I bought it. So I'm disconnecting this. And there's a big opening here. There's a filters back there, the K&N filter or whatever. And I'm going to get those two bolts behind there. Alright, I'll turn it back on when I'm done. Here, I'll show you. Well, folks, finally got it off. There's the bumper. Off. Here you go. The two that were attached to, where is it? Right there. Minus this right there. One goes here. The other one goes in there. Oh, blurry. Yeah, one goes there. The other one goes over there. Both sides. I had to take this cover off. Well, here it is, folks. Three of them that slide into these slots, and this middle one has a lip on it. See? All I gotta do is get it over that lip, and we'll get the thing over here. Here, Junior. Let's see if I can get it over the lip. Apparently somebody else tried it, and look at that.
Almost.
Huh?
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Anybody can tell me how. Greatly appreciate it. Unbelievable.
Alright, we'll turn you back on in a minute we get this off.
Still have the lip on this side, so we're good.
Now,
Too much for an old man.
now all we have to do now is sand this sucker down and repaint it.
Scrape it.
And
Sand
scrape it. Make it look like brand new. This is what I'm talking about. It's got to be scraped,
Right here.
sanded, and painted.
Right here. I don't know who did this before. Probably used too much putty. I don't know. I don't know, folks. It's just too much. I'll fix it. Yes, I will. I'll fix it to my liking.
Hey, if it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Yeah, well, I'll fix it till it's broke. Sorry about that, but that's the way I feel. I'll fix it till it broke. Hey, Junior!
Yeah?
Look what you did to the bottom. You laugh. I got it fixed now, see?
That's
Unbelievable.
what I get for hitting the curb all the time.
Unbelievable, folks.
Or those bumper stoppers.
I want to drive. I want to drive. I want to drive. Yeah, there you go. Why is this? All right. Now get this. Hey, look! I'm gonna take a paint chip with me. You know, this is not the color for the car.
Yeah, I know it's not.
No? What color was it?
I think fire engine red. Candy apple red.
Something like that.
This ain't it.
This is just red, dark
Yeah.
red. I don't know. Whoever did this, can't speak ill of it. Man ain't got the money. He ain't got the money. What are you gonna do? I don't know if I should strip it, sand it.
I don't know. I guess we'll have to look at videos and see how to do this.
Yeah, I know how to do it. I'm just trying to figure out what's the easiest way of doing it. Look at that, 2 layers. Paint and whatever else here, so I can feel it with my nail. Yep, must have used Bondo or something. Didn't hold up, did he?
No.
Started cracking. Oh well. Okay, folks. Next video, you'll see me start working on this bumper. And I gotta wait till my AC compressor comes in. Yeah, by the time that comes in, guess what?
Summer will be over.
Yeah, you won't need it. You'll need heat. Okay. Oh well. Okay, folks.
Till next time.
Stay safe out there.
And stay cool.
Later. Oh, by the way, guess what?
What?
I'm hungry.
So am I. Later, folks.